That's Huckleberry. Hi, Huckleberry. Hi, Huck. Hi. Lexi. Hi, Lexi. Hi, Lexi. Diamonds, come. Good girl. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. And there's Lexi again. Here's Ula. She's pregnant. Hi, Ulala. She's due September 5th. And next to her is Mimi, who just took off. And there's Loki. My golden retriever Cricket. Bamboo! Bamboo, come! Bamboo, come here! Hi, good boy. Bamboo, come! Good boy. Here's Bamboo.